We dropped this indestructible case off a cliff. Guess what survived? You ever pack your gear for a big adventure, only to feel that pit in your stomach, the what if it breaks kind of dread? Cameras? Cracked. Drones? Toast. Lenses? Don't even go there. Let's be real, most gear cases are one wrong bump away from becoming glorified trash bins. You're wasting time babying your stuff and constantly second-guessing every bump, drop, or splash. It's exhausting, especially when your tools are your livelihood, or your once-in-a-lifetime memories. Sound familiar? Yeah, we've all been there. But hang tight, we're about to blow your risk anxiety wide open. Imagine it. You're in the middle of nowhere, cliffside filming, desert trekking, sea kayaking, gear in tow, and boom. Your truck flips. Your boat sinks. Your horse belly flops into a river. You feel your soul detach from your body thinking, there goes everything. Now add the stress of deadlines, lost content, insurance claims, angry clients, and a growing existential dread. This isn't just gear, it's your grind, your passion, your career. A single cracked lens or drown drive can cost thousands or worse, an opportunity you'll never get back. Let's stop pretending this risk is normal. It's not. It's sabotage. Enter the Pelican 1660 case, aka your gear's superhero suit. This bad boy's been steamrolled by ice, blasted by explosions, dragged underwater, and even used as a jack stand for a flipping truck. What happened to the stuff inside? Nothing. Nada. Zip. Pelican's secret? A crushproof copolymer shell, stainless steel hardware, pressure equalizing valve, and foam that hugs your gear tighter than your grandma on Thanksgiving. It's watertight, dustproof, impact resistant, and yes, airline and TSA ready for your more intense vacations. This isn't just a case, it's a bulletproof vault with wheels. And it's about to be your gear's new ride or die. Ditch the duct tape and crossed fingers. With Pelican's customizable foam interior and buttersmooth double throw latches, your load-in just got faster, safer, and, dare we say, kinda fun? The 1660 lets you organize like a boss, travel stress-free, and look like the pro you actually are. No more cringe packing or disaster flashbacks. This is gear confidence on steroids. Want to see it in action? Stick around, because we're about to show just how much abuse this thing can take. Smash it, soak it, roll it down a cliff, it laughs in the face of chaos. Don't wait until your GoPro's in pieces or your camera's swimming with the fishes. Thousands of photographers, adventurers, and military pros trust Pelican for one reason: it never taps out. And right now? These 1660s are flying off the shelves like hotcakes in a snowstorm. We're talking limited stock, and with the summer rush hitting, they won't last. Ready to protect your grind like a pro? Smash that like, drop a comment with your wildest gear fail story, and hit that link to snag your own. This is your before it's too late moment. Don't just watch, upgrade your game.